How to create an account on Fantasy Premier League. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for fantasy.premierleague.com. Now, you will be led to the official webpage of Fantasy Premier League. Here, go ahead and tap on the Register Now option you see there in order to create an account. Now, you will be required to tap on the Join My PL option you see there. So tap on the Join My PL option and then go ahead and start by entering your email address, or you can also simply join with Google or with your Facebook account or with your X account or with your Apple account. For this video, I will join with my email ID. So if you want to join with your email ID too, then go ahead and start by entering your email ID in the email address text box you see here. Now, once you have entered your email address, tap on the Join with Email option you see there, and you will now be required to enter the password for your account. So go ahead and enter a password by making sure that you meet all the password requirements shown on the screen right here. Now, once you have entered your password, go ahead and start by entering your first name and your last name, followed by enter your date of birth and then enter your gender. Once you are done entering all these, go ahead and select the country of your residence and then select your nationality. Once done, you will be required to enter your phone number, but that is totally optional. You will then be required to select your communication language preference, so go ahead and select your communication language, and finally go ahead and agree to the terms and conditions of Fantasy Premier League. Now, if you want to receive emails from Premier League, then you can also tap on the checkbox you see here, or else it is totally optional. Finally, tap on the Create an Account option you see there, and with this, you will now receive a verification code in the email ID that you just entered. So go ahead and enter the verification code sent to you in your email ID. Finally, tap on the Continue button you see there, and with this, your account has been created successfully. Now, tap on the Continue option you see there, and with this, as you can see, you have been successfully logged into Fantasy Premier League. So this was about how you can create an account in Fantasy Premier League. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.